Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel is in celebration mode after his 2016 hit track Fever has been certified gold by the Recording Industry Association of America. The DJ shared this photo on his social media page celebrating his achievement. Fever received the gold certification for sales equivalent to 500,000 copies. Vybz Kartel now joins the likes of Sean Paul and Shabba Ranks, as well as Mad Cobra, among others, whose tracks have been certified gold by the Recording Industry Association of America. Fever is featured on Kartel's King of the Dancehall album, which was released back in 2016. The album peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The video for the track has been viewed over 25 million times on YouTube. Fever. Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul has joined forces with Swedish pop star Tovlo. The two collaborated on the single Calling on Me. The track has an uplifting message about the power of love.
Calling on Me is a song about family, about who's there for you, who you care for, who cares for you, who you love. Big up Tovlo. Yeah man, and big up Banks and Ranks, you don't know. Salute.
Winning artist is no stranger to collaborations, as he has teamed up with The Rain on Love Me Ladies and with rapper YG on When It Comes to You. The international star has also collaborated with other top acts like Sia, Dua Lipa, Nicki Minaj, Kelly Rowland, The Migos, David Guetta, J Balvin and DJ Snake, just to name a few. Now onto the international scene, where Toronto rapper Drake's OVO company has teamed up with Clark's Originals for an upcoming release. The new OVO Wallaby collection will feature neon green, orange and black colors made from premium suede. The line will also feature the OVO logo embedded on the heel of the shoe as well as on the hang tag. The new collection will be exclusively available on October's very own website as well as OVO's locations. This is not the first time Drake has teamed up with the Clarks brand. Back in 2018, Drake also collaborated with Clarks to create the Wallaby collection. The new line was released yesterday. And still on the international scene, a hologram concert dubbed An Evening with Whitney has taken place for the late American singer and is also set to include most of her biggest hits, such as How Will I Know, Saving All My Love for You, and I Will Always Love You. The show will also feature 4 backup dancers and 2 moving backup singers, all of whom occasionally interact with the hologram. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.